up? Bowman drafted Jumbo #1. Rossi wants the Cubs. Trading on his White Sox. 9/11, 9/11 p.m. Central Time. Best roll same for both. No snake eyes. We are going Niner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Terry Gardner. Cam on bottom. 25. We'll hop over here. We're going 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Money shot. Terry, you're rocking Miami. Not terrible. Cam, you're rocking the Angels. I dig them. There we have it. I'll post them up. Let's see who got the Cubs just for 60 days. Nice. Spot 1. So painful for Rosary. 9:12 p.m. Central Time.